Glam team ni Catherine Bernardo napakaswerte. Trip to Thailand ang regalo ni Kat sa kanila. Masayang nakipag-banding si Catherine Bernardo kasama ang glam team niya sa Thailand kung saan libre ito ng aktres bilang regalo ngayong Kapaskuhan. Ayon kay Kat, ito ang pasasalamat niya matapos ang tagumpay sa latest blockbuster movie nila ni Alden Richards na Hello Love Again, pati na rin sa iba pang na-achieve niya this year. Behind all the glitz and chaos is my strong support system, both a team and a family. Couldn't ask for more. Love you all sa kanyang caption. Gabby Garcia, ibinahagi ang masayang Christmas party kasama ang kanyang staffs. Team Gabby Christmas Party 2024. Obviously, we had the best night ever. I wouldn't have survived this year without these amazing people. My rock, my cheerleaders, and my inspiration. Thank you so much. Always so grateful for our friendship throughout the years and for sticking with me through every high and low. Here's to more ganaps, collabs, laughter, and growth in 2025. Cheers to us. Happy holidays. Plus, the much-awaited raffle was even more extra because of Skyworth Philippines. Thank you so much, fam. Lastly, we had the best time at Vine Cafe Launch. The venue, food, drinks were A+. Also love that it's just in Salcedo, Makati. Perfect. Halfway for everybody, sa ad ni Gabby. Riza May Dizon, kinilig nang makita si Andy Eigenman sa Siargao. Nakilala kamakailan ni Andy Eigenman si Riza May Dizon, isa sa mga host ng Eat Bulaga, pagkatapos niyang lumipat sa Siargao at bumisita sa cafe ng aktres. Noong Martes, December 24, inirepost ni Andy sa kanyang Instagram ang adorable online post ni Riza May tungkol sa pagkikita niya sa Siargao. Kilig at Andy Girl, saad ni Riza sa kanyang post. Thank you for visiting us at Happy Islanders Surf Club, sinabi ni Andy kay Riza May sa kanyang Instagram. Umani naman ito ng positibong komento mula sa mga netizens.